How to enable or disable sync stories in Gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge, or Ultra. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Now, from the home screen, we open up the Gallery app, or in the apps list, open up the Gallery app. In here, you want to go back to the main Gallery homepage. Then tap on the menu button. Next, tap on Settings. And in Gallery Settings, go down and tap on Sync with OneDrive. Then in here, tap on Sync Stories. Tap on the toggle button to enable or disable Sync Stories to OneDrive. And that's it. Finally, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.